Antonio Luna's assassination. Cause: hot-tempered. Insulted Aguinaldo and Buencamino. Slapped Buencamino. Accusive. Mabini complained about Luna and wanted him to be replaced because of his unruliness. Aggressive. Effects of Antonio Luna's assassination. Antonio Luna was a student of science and tactics, so definitely the standards of the military forces was not that good. Antonio Luna was always in the front liner, so it was expected that we lost a great soldier in our history. There was now peace in the military forces because no one will be insulted and slapped anymore.
Bates Treaty and its provisions. Bates Treaty was made by appointed General John C. Bates. It was a negotiated treaty with the Sultan of Philo. The treaty dealt with what Muslims and Americans could coexist peacefully. The Sultan pointed out that the Americans could not occupy any point in Jolo except the town of Jolo. The Sultan should continue to collect duties at points not occupied by the Americans. And the treaty was signed on August 20. The treaty provided the following: sovereignty of the U.S. over the whole archipelago of Jolo and its dependencies is declared and acknowledged. Rights and dignities of His Highness the Sultan and his datus shall be fully respected. Muslims shall not be interpreted with on account of their religion. No one shall be persecuted on account of his religious beliefs. Domestic products of the archipelago of Jolo, when carried on by the Sultan and his people within any part of the Philippine Islands, and when conducted under the American flag, shall be free, unlimited, and undutiable. American government agreed to pay the Sultan and his leading men monthly salaries in Mexican dollars.